Hello! In front of me I've got Motorola Moto G31. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter Settings and go to Display. As you can see here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start from the top of the list, where we've got brightness level, dark theme, and night light. Then we've got adaptive brightness, styles, and wallpaper. Next, we've got full screen, where we can select apps that has to work in full screen. Pick display, see interactive notifications and quick informations while your screen is off. Screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Auto rotate screen. Colors of the display between natural, saturated, and color temperature. Font size. Display size. Screensaver. Lock screen settings, for example notifications on lock screen, skip lock screen, add text on lock screen, and show lockdown option. Next we've got attentive display, prevent the screen from dimming or going to sleep while you're looking at it. 3-finger screenshot, swipe to split, and last, screen record. We can change its size, resolution, recording time, size limit, and we can enable or disable record touch points. And that's all for our display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.